Hi friends, this is me Sabi and you are watching Sabi Ricky vlog. Today we are going to discuss about some tips on how to manage your time efficiently and effectively. Nowadays it has become difficult to manage our home and work together. To make it possible, we need to manage time so that we find some time for self-care too. The first point is plan your day in advance. It is very important that you should make a plan the previous night itself. This helps in saving a lot of time thinking what to do next after each task. In this way, you can estimate time requirement to do each task. By planning in advance, you will be able to divide your task into different days and thereby reducing your workload on a single day. Point number 2. Get up early. Getting up late and finding sufficient time for all tasks is impossible. Therefore, you should get up early, at least between 5 to 7 am. Morning breeze and seeing the sunrise gives you a positive energy. Becoming an early riser helps you to do majority of the task in the morning before your family is up. This habit can be more useful for moms with small kids. Number 3. Exercise. You might be wondering that how can exercise help in time management? According to me, only a person with fit body can carry their activity to the most effective extent. Hence, we need to exercise at least 15 to 30 minutes a day. It is preferred to do exercise during morning hours, but if you don't have time during morning, evening is also suitable. The only thing to remember is be consistent. Number 4. Meal plan. We need to plan our meals in advance. This helps to save a lot of time thinking what to prepare. It is also helpful to make healthier choices and to purchase grocery requirement in advance. Prepared meal plan should be placed in a visible place at the kitchen itself. Number 5. Grocery and shopping list. Before going for any kind of shopping, carry a list of items needed so that you can save a lot of time. Always make a habit to place a book and a pen in any part of kitchen so that you can immediately note down the items that is over. Instead of book, you can also place a chalkboard so that by a click you get the list on your phone before leaving for shopping. Number 6. Stay organized. You should develop a habit of being organized. Always place the items back to its place after use. In this way, clutters can be avoided. Also create a place for each and every item so that you don't need to waste any time by searching that thing. Point number 7. Practice calendar blocking. Place a calendar either on your bedroom or kitchen and mark the dates you need to be noted. It can be electricity bill payment, gas bill payment, salary of servants, etc. In this way, you don't need to overload your brain and can do the payments on time. A stress-free mind can do their task on less time. Point number 8. Declutter papers. We all have a habit to keep the bills and receipts in a drawer or handbags itself. It is always important to check these papers regularly and throw away the unwanted. Important papers need to be filed and kept so that it does not get lost anywhere. By this practice, wasting time on searching bills or receipts at the time of payment can be avoided. Point number 9. Be a multitasker. Multitasking is considered as an ineffective way as it reduces perfection. But according to my opinion, there are certain tasks that, when done with another task, reduces workload. For example, if you load your washing machine in the morning, after completing rest of the household works, you can put the clothes to dry. Similarly, you can prepare the snacks by putting the milk to boil to prepare tea. Point number 10. Keep away distractions. Everyone has 24 hours in their life. The main point of time management is how we utilize our time. Distraction is a main reason that affects our time management. You should make sure that you will not use any kind of distractions until you complete your work. By doing this, you will see a magic that you have done your work before the expected time. Number 11. Utilize your TV time. Keeping distractions away is not an easy task. If this is not possible for you, at least utilize that time in an effective way. While watching TV, you can complete some of the boring tasks such as ironing, folding clothes, chopping veggies, and peeling garlic, which can be an add-on to your next day meal preparation. Number 12. Follow a night cleaning routine. A night cleaning routine is a must. Before going to bed, make sure that you have cleaned your kitchen utensils, put back the things on each room to its place, and arrange the dining table and coffee table. In this way, you will be able to start your morning freshly and save a lot of time for next day. Time management is not any kind of magic. It comes as a habit and discipline in your life. Keep practicing time management and gradually you will find your solution to time management. I am happy if some of you are benefited from these tips. I will be back with another video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.